This tutorial will guide you through the process of linking and creating an EA account in FC Mobile. This is essential for saving your game progress and accessing additional features in FIFA Mobile 24. By following the steps, you'll ensure your gaming experience is enhanced and your achievements are preserved. So let's begin. Open the FC Mobile app, and after you open the FC Mobile app, play as a guest first and learn the mechanics. You just have to finish the tutorials before you encounter this interface, and as you can see on the screen, tap the settings icon, which is located at the top right of the screen. In the settings tab, click the gift icon in the link accounts tab. Now choose which account you want to link to this game. Since we are here to create an EA account, just tap the EA account button so we can proceed. Now that we are on the EA website to create an account, it's up to you if you want to use other social accounts to link with EA, like Google, Facebook, or any social accounts that are available. And as you can see on the screen, you can create an account directly from EA by entering your email here. After you enter the email, tap the send code button to send a code to your email, like Yahoo Mail or Gmail. You have to do the credentials depending on how you want to link with EA accounts. And there you have successfully linked your EA account to your FC Mobile game, ensuring your progress is safe and accessible. By following the steps, you'll enhance your gameplay experience and enjoy FIFA Mobile 24 to the fullest.